my channel Umar's Learning Hub, and today we will learn something new about algebraic equations. Something new that you have, I think that you have not learned in your previous class. So, express the first question says express each as a fraction in its simplest form. Simplest form means that it cannot be simplified or it cannot be reduced furthermore. So the first part says x upon 3 plus 2x minus 5 upon 7. First we have to analyze that what the question says, and through this demand we have to go through this. So when there are fractions, so we and when there's a sign of only plus or minus between these two fractions, between these two fractions, if there addition or subtraction, so we will take the LCM of the denominators. The LCM of the denominators, the 3 and 7 are the denominators of the numbers. So the LCM of the 3 and 7 of the denominators is 21. So when so we have to make the denominator same, 12 over here and 12 over here. If we will so we will 3 times 4, 3 times 7 is 21, and 7 times 3 is 21. So when we are multiplying the denominator with the same number to get the same denominator of both sides, so the number will be also multiplied by the numerator with both numerators. So x, the 3 will be multiplied by 7 and x will also be multiplied by 7 because of the same number, and 7 will also be multiplied by 3 and 2x minus 5. This whole equation is also being multiplied by 3. So x is to 7 is 7x upon 21, 7x, and plus when we are making a same denominator, so we can write in a single fraction. So 7x plus when 3 is being multiplied by 2x, so 6x minus 15. So we will simplify the like terms. 7x plus 6x is equal to 13x minus 15 will be written as it is upon 21. So this how we will simplify, and we will get the simplest form. So the second part says 2x minus 5 upon 3 minus 3x minus 2 upon 5. So we will make the denominator same. So the LCM of 3 and the LCM of the LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. So 3 is to 5 is 15, and the numerator will be also be multiplied by 5. So 5 to the 10x minus 5 5 the 25, and minus 9x plus 6. Then we'll collect like terms 10x and minus 9x. 10x minus 9x will give you x with greater sign number, and minus 25 plus 6 will give you minus 19, and upon 15 will be written as it is. So this is our last answer, and it cannot be reduced furthermore. So moving on to the third part, which is similar to these two parts. It says 3p minus 2q upon 3 and minus 4p minus 5q upon 4. So the same step will be implemented on this question also. So the LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. 3 4 is a 12 and 4 3 is a 12. So 4 will be multiplied by the numerator and denominator both as always. So 4 is to 3, p is 12p minus 8q minus 3 minus 4 minus 12p plus 15q. So we will get the like terms. So 12p minus 12p is 0p. So we do not write 0 or we do not write anything when there's nothing without 1. So these two will be cancelled out each other, and minus 8q and plus 15q will give you 7q upon 12. So this how we will do this question. So moving on to last part, which is similar to these three parts, which is so easy. I am hoping that you have understood our till our today's class. So moving on to further, the last part of our today's class, which is 3y minus 1 upon 4 minus 2y minus 3 upon 6. So the LCM of 6 and 4. When you will take the LCM of 6 and 4, you will get 12, because 4 3s are 12 and 6 2s are 12. We will take the least LCM. Least LCM is least common multiple. So the least common multiple of the both tables of 6 and 4 will give you 12. So the least common multiple of 4 and 6 is 12. So 4 3s are 12 and 6 2s are 12. So 4 will be multiplied by 3 and 3y minus 1. This whole equation will also be multiplied by 3. So minus 6 is being multiplied by 2, and this whole equation 2y minus 3 is also being multiplied by 2. So when you will expand these brackets, so we will get the result 3 3s are 9y minus 3 minus 4y plus minus minus plus 6. 2 3s are 6. So the LCM of the both will be written as written downward. So we can get the like term with 9y and minus 4y and minus 3 and plus 6. So 9y minus 4y will give you 5y with greater sign, because the number with the greater sign, if whether it is plus or minus, it's done effect. We will get the biggest number sign is plus, and nothing is written here, so it means plus, it is here. So 5y with the sign of plus, plus 3, because minus 3 plus 6 will give you 3 with bigger sign. Bigger number sign is plus, so we will write plus 3 upon 12. This cannot be further reduced or simplified, because if because there is no similar multiple. So I hope that you have understood our today's class. So best of luck, and I will try to give further questions related to this topic. I'll express in fraction form. So in our next class, we will try to understand more and complex questions related to this type of questions. So in our next class, we will try to understand more complex questions. So thanks for today's class. Best of luck. Thank you.